Want to boost your credit score just by paying rent? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up rent reporting on Kikoff in 2025. Whether you're a first-time renter or just looking to build credit faster, this quick walkthrough will help you get started the right way. Check you're eligible. You must be on Kikoff Premium or Ultimate. Grab the required docs/info, open Kikoff. Link the bank you use for rent, upload and verify your lease. Enter your rental details. Optional, add past rent, back reporting, and lastly report. And that's it. You've successfully set up rent reporting on Kikoff for 2025. Now, every on-time rent payment can work to strengthen your credit profile. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple credit building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.